Hello and welcome to UC Achievers. You're watching Grade 8 Second Term Past Papers discussion, and in this video we're going to give you the answers for Kelaniya Education Zone 2023 paper. Test 1. Match the pictures with the given phrases. Write them on the lines. One is done for you. Example, first one, a bottle of water. Number 2, a flock of birds. Number 3, a group of children. Number 4, a piece of cake. 5, slices of bread. 6, a bouquet of flowers. Test 2. Match the antonyms. Write the words on the line. One is done for you. Example, early, late. Second one, beautiful, ugly, cheap, expensive, absent, present, wide, narrow, happy, sad, patient, impatient, urban, rural, difficult, easy, leave, arrive, heavy, light. Test 3. Study the picture and fill in the blanks using the words given below. This is a picture of a classroom. There are 5 students in the picture. They are doing many things. There are some sums on the whiteboard. A girl is cleaning the whiteboard. Another girl is cleaning a desk. She is spraying some cleaning liquid and rubbing it with a piece of cloth. There are 3 boys in the picture. One is sweeping the classroom. Another boy is carrying some books. One boy is standing on a stool and arranging a flower pot. Test 4. Read the following steps of making biscuits. Put the relevant number under the picture. First one, take some salt and flour. Place both ingredients in a large mixing bowl. Number 2, next take the butter and put it into the bowl. Blend the butter and flour. Add some milk and mix. Knead the dough. Roll and shape it. Cut the biscuits using a cutter. Place it on a tray and bake. Test 5. Fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. On a very hot and sunny day, a thirsty crow was flying in search of water. It flew through a thicket and came to a village. Due to the hot weather, most of the waterways had dried up. Suddenly, he saw a pot under a big tree. When he flew down, he saw there was a little water at the bottom of the pot. While thinking about how he could drink that water, he saw little pebbles lying around. He started dropping them one by one into the pot. After some time, the water level rose. The thirsty crow quenched its thirst and flew away happily over the big trees and gardens. Test 6. Read the following paragraph and Answer the questions. Birds are amazing creatures. One of the greatest mysteries of bird life is traveling. Every year during autumn and early winter, birds travel from northern regions of Asia, Europe, and America to the southern warmer lands. They make the return journey again during spring and early summer. They are very punctual unless they are delayed by bad weather. They face many dangers and hardships while traveling long distance through the air over hills, forests, plains, and large stretches of water. Sometimes sudden storms arise and drive them far out of course. Often they are blown right out to sea and drowned in the wild waves. At night, bright light attract and confuse the birds. According to the research studies, scientists say that the telephone and mobile phone waves also confuse birds a lot. Sometimes they lost their ways. With these disturbances, they can't fly at their fastest. The migration speed is usually from 48 to 64 kilometers an hour and very rarely exceeds 80. At present, we can't see a lot of migratory birds like earlier. Question number 1. Which is the greatest mystery of bird life mentioned in the paragraph? Flying, traveling, swimming. Answer is B. Question number 2. When do the birds migrate from their countries? Autumn, early winter. Autumn and early winter. Answer is C. 3. Are these statements true or false? A. Birds travel from southern regions of Asia, Europe, and America to the northern, warmer lands. False. B. They face many dangers and hardship while traveling. True. Question number 4. When do they make their return journey? Spring and early summer. Question number 5. What can delay the journey of the birds? Bad weather. Question number 6. What confuses the bird when they are traveling? Write 2 points. Mobile phone waves, telephone waves. Question number 7. Write a synonym for the following from the passage. A. On time. Answer is punctual. B. Going to another country. Migrate. Test 7. Write the correct form of the word given within brackets to fill the blanks. First one. The policeman is very helpful. Number 2. Look at that colorful roses. Do not drop the box. It is breakable. Playing with sharp things is unsafe. You can see a clear sky today. It's cloudless. She looks happy or unhappy all the time. Test 8. Complete the dialogue using the given utterances. Salesman. Good afternoon, ma'am. Can I help you? Customer. Yes, please. I want to buy a frock. Salesman. Come this way. You need to go to the second floor. Customer. No, I'm looking for a frock for my daughter. Salesman. How old is she? Customer. 14. But she is taller than the other girls of her age. Salesman. Here you can select any color she prefers. Customer. She wants a pink or purple color frock. It should be a casual wear. Salesman. What about this? Customer. Can I have that one? How much is it? Salesman. It's 2000 rupees. Customer. Okay, give me this frock. Thank you. Salesman. Please pay to the cashier. Thank you. Come again. Test 9. Complete blanks using the correct form of the given verbs. Number 1. A letter blank write by the mother to the class teacher yesterday. Clue is yesterday. We have to write the answer in simple past passive voice. The answer is was written. Number 2. Tea blank grow in the hill country in Sri Lanka is a general truth, general condition. We have to write the sentence using simple present passive voice. Is grown is the answer. Third one, Mary blank read a storybook under the tree now. Now is a clue here. So we have to write the sentence using present continuous form. Is reading is the answer. Fourth one, the classroom blank cleaned by us every day. Every day is a clue. Simple present tense, passive voice. So the answer is cleaned. They blank not do their work when the teacher question. When is a clue here. We have to put the sentence in past continuous tense. Were not doing is the answer. Test number 10. Write on one of the following topics. Use 100 to 150 words. A trip I enjoyed. Sri Lanka is a beautiful country. Or write a letter to a friend about your last trip. A trip I enjoyed. Last school holiday, I went to Alla with my family. It is a beautiful place in Sri Lanka. We saw green mountains, tea estates, and waterfalls. We visited the Nine Arches Bridge and Little Adams Peak. The weather was cool and fresh. We took many photos and enjoyed tasty food. I felt happy and relaxed. The trip was fun and exciting. Alla is one of the best places I have visited. I will always remember this wonderful trip. Sri Lanka is a beautiful country. Sri Lanka is a beautiful country in South Asia. It has green mountains, sandy beaches, and many rivers. There are famous places like Sigiriya, Alla, and Kandy. People in Sri Lanka are kind and friendly. We have many animals such as elephants, monkeys, and peacocks. Tea gardens and waterfalls make the country more beautiful. Sri Lanka is also rich in history and culture. Many tourists visit our country every year. I love Sri Lanka because it is peaceful, colorful, and full of natural beauty. Write a letter to a friend about your last trip. Dear Robin, how are you? I hope you are fine. Last holiday I went to Alla with my family. It is a beautiful place with green hills and tea gardens. We visited the Nine Arches Bridge and Little Adams Peak. The weather was cool and the views were amazing. We took many photos and had a great time. I enjoyed the trip very much. I hope you can visit Alla one day. Yours lovingly, Shanul. Test number 11, listening test. Listen to the audio and find out the answers. Panchi is a small girl who loves dogs very much. Her pet dog Roja is female dog. It likes to run in the garden with her. She gives it milk in the morning and meat for lunch every day. It doesn't like fish and rice. She doesn't like cats, but her sister likes. Roja is a small girl. Fours. Panji is a dog. Fours. The dog likes running in the garden with the girl. True. She gives meat in the morning. True. She has a pet cat too. False. Write 3 food items mentioned in the listening paragraph: milk, meat, and fish. Subscribe our channel now. Our dedicated English language channels for Sri Lankan students are UC Achievers for grades 6 to 9 English, UC Gen English for advanced level general English, and UCall English for O level English.